Hello Tappers, in this video I'll show you how to set up your trend bot for amazing profit. Stay with me while I walk you through the trend bot setup. So when you do go into your app, you're going to see the trend bots with the hot tag over here. You want to click on the trend bot. Now you want to click on get started. Then you want to put in your capital, so you can allocate any amount of capital to trend bot. So I'm going to say I want to allocate $10,000. So I'm going to select futures bot and then accept the futures weeks. Then I need to select the market. Now, how do you select the market? What you need to know is that TrendBot works with high volatile market. So you always want to look for market with high volatility. So you can go directly to your exchange, Binance or any of the exchange. You could scroll directly to the market list and sort it by the 24 hours change. So you see market with high volatility in the upside or market with high volatility in the downside movement. So over here you can see the top market right now is CELO, then COM, then GRT. So you just want to take one of those market trending. You don't need to look at the analysis or look at the chart. If the market is trendy, then it is good for TrendBot. So you want to select that market, and I'm going to select CELO. And then you want to select your exchange that you want to trade on. I'm going to select Binance, and then you want to put your strategy period, which simply means how long should your bot run for before stopping. So I'm going to say I need this bot to run for 10 times. Now you don't need to put really high strategy period on TrendBot, as it does make a large sum of profit per time. Then you need to select your risk level. So you have two options between the low risk, low reward and the high risk, high reward. Now the low risk, low reward, your trend bot is going to be using a very secure capital trading system, and your profits could be around 0.1 to 1% daily, and in a month your profit will range over 30%. Now if you do go for the high risk, high reward, your profit in a day trending market could go way over 5 to 20%, and in a month it could go way over 100-300%. Now, why selecting the high risk, high reward or low risk, low reward? You need to know what are the stop loss trigger. Now, if at any point a market goes really bad and TrendBot needs to call off your trade, in a high risk, high reward, you could get a trade called off at around 20% of your trading capital. With a low risk, low reward, you could get a call off of around 5 to 10% of your trading capital. Now, few things to note is that the low risk, low reward is going to take a long market movement to ever trigger a stop loss, because the capital spread is quite low risk as against the high risk, high reward. But once again, TrendBot manages the market so well that these occurrences are not frequent, except a market goes way overboard, like a 200% pump, 300% pump, which will be a lot. So then you want to go for any of the options. Both options are highly profitable, so I'm going to go for high risk, high reward next. And that is all the settings I need to do. The trade direction, it follows the trend. If the market is going upward or downward, all of that is being followed. So you need to click on create bot at this point. So creating your CELO trend bot. Once your bot is done creating, all you need to do is to start the bot. You can see over here, so you need to click on turn on the bot, and your bot will be ready to run immediately. If at any point you need to update or edit your capital, you can as well do all of that to change your strategy period or move it to a low risk system rather than the high risk. Your trend bot is ready to go and start making profit. Once your bot is started, few things you need to note about your trend bot is the difference between the close profit and the current profit. So this is a bot running on T market using the low risk, low reward trend bot strategy. So over you can see I have a close profit and a current profit. Now the close profit is the profit that your trend bot has taken while the market was trending, while your current profit is how much you currently have in the market if you decide to close this trade. So the current profits include your close profits plus the current profits from that market. So if at any point you need to stop a trade, what you're going to be closing at is the current profit that you see over here. So that's how simple it is to set up your trend bot. Happy trading, Taffans.